Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use EasyPaysa, a mobile payment service that allows you to make transactions, pay bills, and transfer money with ease. To get started, you need to have a mobile phone and a valid CNIC number. First, you need to register for an EasyPaysa account by visiting the nearest EasyPaysa shop or by dialing the EasyPaysa helpline. You will be required to provide your CNIC number and mobile phone number to complete the registration process. Once you have registered, you can use the EasyPaysa mobile app or dial the EasyPaysa USSD code to access the menu. The menu includes options such as send money, pay bills, mobile load, and account balance inquiry. To send money, select the Send Money option and enter the recipient's mobile phone number and the amount you want to transfer. You will receive a confirmation message to confirm the transaction. To pay bills, select the Pay Bills option and choose the bill you want to pay, such as electricity, gas, or water bill. Enter the bill reference number and the amount you want to pay, and you will receive a confirmation message once the transaction is successful. To check your account balance, select the Account Balance Inquiry option, and you will receive an SMS with your current balance. When using EasyPaysa, make sure to keep your mobile phone and CNIC number secure, and never share your PIN or password with anyone. Also, always check the recipient's mobile phone number and the amount before confirming a transaction. In case you encounter any issues or have any questions, you can contact the EasyPaysa helpline for assistance. They are available 24/7 to help you with any queries you may have. By following these steps and best practices, you can use EasyPaysa to make transactions, pay bills, and transfer money with ease and convenience.